Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel EHS World. Today's topic is confined space. In this video, I am going to explain what is confined space and hazards in confined space. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें. Let's go to see. A confined space are considered to be open-topped enclosures or areas with depths that restrict the natural movement of air or enclosures with limited opening for entry and exit. Confined space एक ऐसा एरिया होता है जिसकी गहराई ज्यादा होती है, जिसका ऊपरी हिस्सा क्लोज होता है और एक छोटा सा मैनहोल रहता है या नेचुरल एयर का मूवमेंट कम होता है. इस इंक्लोजर को कन्फाइंड स्पेस बोलते हैं. लेट्स गो टू सी डेफिनेशन. कन्फाइंड स्पेस इज एन एनक्लोज और पार्शियली एनक्लोज स्पेस दैट हैज ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग थ्री कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फर्स्ट, इट इज लार्ज एनफ एंड सो कॉन्फ़िगर्ड दैट एन एम्प्लॉय कैन बॉडीली एंटर एंड परफॉर्म असाइन्ड टास्क, और इट हैज लिमिटेड और रिस्ट्रिक्टेड मीन्स ऑफ एंट्री और एग्जिट, और इट इज नॉट डिजाइन्ड फॉर कंटिन्यूअस एम्प्लॉय ऑक्यूपेंसी. सो कन्फाइंड स्पेस एक ऐसा एरिया होता है जो कि लार्ज एनफ होता है, जिसमें कि एक लिमिटेड और रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एंट्री और एग्जिट के लिए ओपनिंग होता है. दिस टाइप्स ऑफ इनक्लोजर कंसिडर्ड एज ए कन्फाइंड स्पेस. व्हेन ए स्पेस मीट्स दिस क्राइटेरिया, फर्दर कंसिडरेशन मस्ट बी गिवन टू डिटरमाइन वेदर इट इज मीट्स ओसाज definition of a permit required confined space. If a confined space also contains or has a potential to contain a hazardous atmosphere containing a material that has the potential for engulfing, or an entrant has an internal configuration such that an entrant could be trapped or asphyxiated, or contains any other recognized serious safety or health hazards, then additional measures must be taken to safely enter and perform any work within the space. Let's go to see some example of confined space. A storage tank, process vessels, bins, silos, boilers, ventilation or exhaust duct, sewer, underground utilities vaults, tunnels, trenches, pits and pipeline, machine or equipment enclosure such as acoustic hood on turbines. So these are the example of confined space. Now you are going to see the associated hazards in confined space. First is atmospheric hazard, second is physical hazards. So you are going to see first atmospheric hazard. Asphyxiating, flammable and toxic. In physical hazard, moving machinery, engulfment, falls, electrocution, hazardous material, noise, burn, heat stress, any other hazards according to the work, any other hazards. So these are the common hazards in confined space. So as we discussed, there is a two type of the hazards, such as one is the atmospheric hazard and another is the physical hazard. In atmospheric hazards, so hazardous or potentially hazardous atmosphere is oxygen deficient, oxygen enriched, flammable gases, toxic gases and vapors. In physical hazard, risk of falling 2 meters or more while working, engulfment, falling object, temperature extremes, noise, slick or wet surface, toxic chemicals, etc. And during hazard identification, also consider nature of the confined space, the work required to be done in confined space, requirement of physical, mechanical, electrical isolation, the range of methods by which the work can be safely done, the actual method selected and plant proposed, emergency and rescue procedures. You have to also consider these points. So let me here list out the potential hazards in confined space. Low oxygen, asphyxiates, poisoning, head impact, eye impact, falling objects, falling from heights, slip, trip and falls, mechanical motion, electrical shock or electrocution, fire or explosion, heat stress, cold stress, drawing, burial beneath solids, ionizing radiation, non-ionizing radiation, noisy environment, manual handling, constant movement, entrapment, engulfment. So these are the list of common hazard which is associated with the confined space work. So मुझे आशा है कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. पसंद आए तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर जरूर करें. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.